How to be a Ugandan YouTuber. I know, I understand. The struggle is real. If you don't know, and this is your first time watching my face over here, I'm Tanya Shylock. I'm a Ugandan content creator, of course, and I'm based in Uganda. Yes, currently I've been moving cities, Kampala. Right now, currently I'm in Entebbe. I'm about to go somewhere again. I'll be surprising you in that. But I'm a Ugandan content creator or, a YouTuber. So before I give you all the points that I want to give you on how to be a Ugandan YouTuber, I actually want to take you a little bit back in time when I did start off my channel. So I started off my channel back then in 2016 actually. That's when I did start off my channel, and I was in senior 4. Yes, I was just accomplishing high school, so I never got time to upload videos and all that, but I had the idea because I had started following a lot of other content creators. By then I had not seen a lot of them from Uganda, but I had seen from other countries, and it took me almost 2 years to start uploading uploading my content, if that makes sense. And I did upload my first video in 2018, December, December, I think 2018. And I've been uploading since then up to now, like consistently, and trying to develop my channel over time. Currently we are almost at 1.7 thousand subscribers, if that makes sense, at of course according to the analytics as I do this video. So why have I passed you through all that history? It is to prepare you for the future points that we're going to be talking about. So the first point, how to be a Ugandan YouTuber. Start. Yes, I know you have heard this over and over again, and I know that you are always over there procrastinating, I'll do it tomorrow, next month, next year. But the thing is, start. All of us where we are right now, it's not where we started. I started off with a very, very, poor camera. By then I was using it was a tablet, but it had a very funny camera. You guys, if you had not seen that video, I'm gonna be linking it up here, my first YouTube video. That is to motivate you to start. Do not look at the quality of the camera. Do not look at how your mobile phone looks like. Don't look at all those other characteristics that might push you off. The thing is, start with what you have. Yes, over time you will progress. And I think for me as a person, the time I've spent creating content and learning and doing all that stuff, I think the greatest step that I ever took in my life was to start. I always did procrastinate by then, I think 2017. I think I was supposed even to start back then in 2016, but I did procrastinate and I did add on time to 2017. And I think if I had started by then, my channel would be something else right now. And also, very, very important, do just concentrate on creating content. Don't concentrate on the quality, because whenever you concentrate on the quality, you'll just be, of course, scrapped off, and hopefully you might stop. So just concentrate on creating, don't concentrate on the quality at the start. Actually, I want to talk about the second point, and this is research. So if you want to be a Ugandan YouTuber or a Ugandan content creator, the second point that I can give to you, it is do your research. You'll hear a lot of people talking this, that, and that, but the most important thing above all is sitting down, getting into your phone, your mobile phone. Use Google, is there. Do your research. Learn about the editing applications. Learn about copyright as a topic. I have my notebooks where I do write down all these things to show that to always remember them, of course, when I'm creating content. Know about copyright, know about different softwares that are going to be important to you later on, of course, as you progress through your YouTube career. There are a bunch of different applications that are also important, of course, to you as a creator. If you don't know those applications, you'll also come to learn them through your research. There is YouTube Y2 Studio, there is Creators Academy. A lot of YouTubers, by the way, they don't know this, but there is also an application called Creators Academy. That is the school. I term it as a school for all the YouTubers out there. At least you have to also have at least all those different applications. They are not only two, they are more than two, but you have to do your research and come across all those, because at the end of the day they are going to be helping you make more better content and engage more with your audience. I want to talk about the third point. This is consistency. I know you have heard of this 1,000 times, but being consistent on YouTube is very, very important, especially when you have, got your ground, if that makes sense. But if you have got your ground and right now you know your worth, you know what you want, it is important to stay consistent. I've seen my channel grow from nothing to something through consistency, uploading content on I will not say on a daily basis, but of course on a particular, scheduled basis. For me as a person currently, I upload 2 times a week, and when I upload 2 times a week, each time I upload over 4 videos, if that makes sense. Yes, let me know in the comment section below, by the way, what is your schedule of uploading. If you are already, of course, a YouTuber, let me know in the comment section below, but that's my schedule. So come up with your particular schedule of how you are going to be uploading videos, and not only the frequency but also the consistency in content, if that makes sense. If you're uploading vlogs, let them be vlogs. If you're uploading random content, let it be random, but of course giving meaning. Do not be there, after uploading almost 50 or 100 videos and you feel like there are not a lot of people watching those videos. When you are starting out just on YouTube, there are not a lot of people who know you, so you have to give them time to adjust to you, to learn about you and all that. And I think it's natural. I always did wonder, why are these people not responding to my content? I think over time and doing research, I did understand that when you are new, not a lot of people do know you, but over time, when you are consistent and you're uploading content and you are always there, giving them content, after all those ignores, they'll start coming back and of course interacting with your content. So that's what I'm advising to you. Be consistent, and of course remember, don't look at the results when you are starting, but just concentrate on building the foundation. I actually want to talk about the fourth point. This is patience. I think patience goes hand in hand with consistency, because if you are not patient, you cannot stay consistent, if that makes sense. It has to take patience for you to be consistent, if you understand that, you guys. So patience is also very, very important for you as a content creator, especially an African and in particular Ugandan content creator, being in a country where YouTube is still at its roots. It means that not a lot of people know about it. You are lucky that you have found it, so use it, explore it as early as it is, such that by the time it grows to that level where you think that it has to be, you are somewhere, and it will be important over time. So why am I explaining to you all this? The reason why I'm explaining all of this to you, it is for you to see the future in patience. Don't just be there and upload almost, as I've told you, 100 videos and see that they don't have views, and you think the whole world hates you, as Dimaume says. The whole world does not hate you, but you have to keep reminding them that you are there. Keep uploading content and being patient with yourself. Because if you are not patient, you are not going to be consistent, and those people will not come to view your content. The last point, this is knowing your worth. Yes, when I started my channel, I had a lot of people leaving me because I had started documenting my life on social media. A lot of my close people, friends and all those relatives, they started blocking me on WhatsApp, on social media. They wouldn't want to talk to me anymore, but I knew my worth. I had my own goals. So I know you might be experiencing the same thing, but it comes back to you. Why did you start? Do you know your worth? If you know your worth, you are going to keep all the different points we have talked about in order, so that you see your dream coming to light. Or collab because you know that you have a vision, if that makes sense. So know your worth, know why you started, and always remember why you started. The bonus point: always have a book or a notebook where you do write your different targets for a particular month, for a particular year, for a particular something. That will always motivate you to stand up, create content, and associate with your content and content outside your niche. I'm not a YouTuber who talks about all that, but I just felt like this is important to bring out a little bit of my mind to you guys, to know that it is possible to be a Ugandan YouTuber. Where I am right now is not where I started. I still have a long way to go, but at least I'm not as I did start. So this was just to motivate you. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share out with friends and family. Don't forget to check out this amazing video over here, and also this amazing video over here. They are just for you. And let me meet you in the next video. Tanya ni Shylock switching out. Bye for now.